Yeah, exactly. So I would agree with that. I think this is one of the main critiques we have. If we're going to talk about it as a Holocaust game, I think we need to establish, what is it? How does the game talk about the Holocaust? And as I tried to point to, this is about a relatively unknown story about these 350 American GIs, and a lot of people make the point that that experience is very different to the experience of European Holocaust victims. Um, and I think this, the fact that we're even discussing it as a Holocaust game, it's an important distinction to make whether this is really something that happened within the wider context of World War II, and whether it puts it in proximity to the Holocaust in really interesting ways. Um, but yeah, it's not a straight out Holocaust narrative in any way.
Yeah, and I think this is part of the wider discussions about where the Holocaust sits historically now, from in historical narratives. The Imperial War Museum's new galleries are being designed so that that you can kind of move between the Holocaust and World War II. It used to be completely segregated on a different floor.